The language, bhasha. Bhasha means bhashanat bhasha. Bhashyate iti bhasha. One who speaks, that becomes the language. Is it? We are all learning the languages. As all of you are learning the languages, how to learn the language is very, very important. Is it not? So there are four steps to learn the languages, as you know. LSRW. What is that LSRW? L, listening. S, speaking. R, reading. W, writing. If you know these four skills, then you will be the master of the languages. Once again, I am telling you LSRW. What L means? Listening. You should listen properly. S means speak.
Speak.
Ah. R means read.
Right.
Read.
Read. Read.
पढ़ना.
Yes, sir. Read.
W means write. पहले
Right.
हमको सुनना सीखना चाहिए. Listening. First thing is listening. So as you have told you, just like huh? I am just starting. एक राजा था. If I say, sir, वो राजा कहाँ था? उसका बाप कौन था? उसके कितने बेटे थे? Is it? That should not. Rajatha means you should listen what is Raja. That is, first of all, we must develop listening skills. There are many listening skills. As you have seen in the IPS and even the detective, listening skills are very, very important. Is it not? So that's why first you must learn the listening skills. Then speaking skills. Then you must learn. Language is what you open up. Don't think that I have listened and I have heard and I am remembering. No, you should speak out. Especially, you should open up in the language classes. That's why you also might have observed that you speak a lot in the language periods. Is it? One who speaks a lot in the language
Sir,
period,
only 15 students are there.
and no problem, number doesn't matter. Okay, so you should speak more. Bahu bhashanam kartavyam. Anantaram, reading whatever is available in literature, that you must read. Then you have to write. And how to start the language to learn? There are some slides I have prepared for you. You can see this. First, to learn the language, what you need is varnaha, alphabets. Varnaha means alphabets learning. Anything starts. Varnaha means aksharam. You will start from the alphabets, then you will start learning the words. From the joining the alphabets, you learn the words. Is it? From joining words, what will you get? Sentences. As you get the sentences, then you can get mastery over the language. Is it clear? First, learn the words properly, alphabets, then learn to make the words, then learn to make sentences, then finally you will be master over the language. I think you are already in the third stage. Is it? Let us say. Varnanam samuhaha varnamala. Varnanam mala varnamala. The garland of letters. Varnamala means garland of letters. In this varnaha means aksharani. These varnas are divided into two parts, swaraha and vyanjanani. Swara, swayam rajante iti swaraha. Even though what you know, I am teaching the same thing, but there is something new to learn in this today. What is meaning of swara? Swayam rajante iti swaraha, which can be pronounced on its own. That's why it is called swaraha. Vyanjanani. Vyanjanani means Vyanjante ebhiriti Vyanjanani. With the help of swara, which can be pronounced, they are called the Vyanjanani. So Vyanjana cannot be pronounced on its own. It needs the help of the swara to pronounce. How it is, let us see. As you know, these are all the swara. A, a, e, u, ru, ru. This is the Sanskrit new things. You don't find it in Hindi. A, I, O, au. These are all the swaras. 13 swaras are there. Trayodasha swara. Eteshu. Again, three types are there. Swaras are into
Sir,
three
how
types.
do we pronounce the secondary?
अहं वदामि अनन्तरं ह्रस्वस्वराः
The secondary.
दीर्घस्वराः प्लुतस्वराः. What is hraswaswara? Hraswaswara is the swara which can be pronounced in one go. Ekamatra kalena prayujyante hraswaswaraha. In one go, if you can pronounce, it is called hraswaswara. A, I, U, R, L. These are all hraswaswara. A. Only one go you can pronounce. If you take two times double action, A, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au. These are all called Dirghaswaraha. Dvimatra kalena prayujyante iti Dirghaswaraha. Two efforts are needed. A, one effort. A, double effort. Dvimatra, 2 seconds you will take to pronounce it. Then Pluta is there. Third category is Plutaswaraha. What are they? Ah. If you want to say ah, e, oo. So that means 3 seconds and more you take. If you want to call somebody, huh? Krishna Kumar Jai is there far away. How will you call Krishna? That is called Plutaswara. Is it? Krishna, like that. Hmm? So that is Plutaswara. You will find it mostly in the Vedas. In the Vedas, you will find it. Next, this is the list. See here. What are the Hraswaswaraha? A, I, U, Ru, L. Only 5. Dirghaswaraha. Dirghaswaraha. A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au. So Pluta, you can match it. Then Vyanjanas are there. So this is called Halanta. Vyanjanas are called Hal. In Sanskrit, Ach means Hraswa Swaraha. For Swara we call it Ach. For Vyanjana we call Hal. So it is pronounced like K, K, G, G, Nya. So this is Kachata Tapa. What is this? Kachata Tapa, if anybody tells, this is the 5 Vargas. You should remember. All of you can pronounce once again. Kachata Tapa.
Kachatadapa.
Kachata Tapa.
Kachatadapa.
If anybody asks you, these are the formulas you can get only in Sanskrit. If anybody asks you, what are the 5 Vargas? Kachatapa. Tak, you will say.
Kachatapa.
Kachatatapa. So these all Kachatatapa, they are called 5 Vargas. In this, once again, Ka is Alpa Prana, Kha is Mahaprana. That's why you should not pronounce. That main benefit of learning Sanskrit is clear pronunciation. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Mahaprana. You should give more force. Understood? See this one. Nyanyananama. Can you pronounce? Nyanyananama.
Nyanya nama.
Ah, these all five.
Ma.
Ah, Nyanyananama.
Nama.
Ah, now one small game we will play. Okay. If you close the nose and try to pronounce this Nyanyananama.
Nyanya nama.
Mm.
Nama.
Oh, so all of you find? Okay, enough.
Nani.
Now, enough. Now these five words cannot be pronounced closing the nose. That's why they are called anunasikaha. Nasika means nose, which will be pronounced through the nasika. That's why nyanyananama they are called anunasika. Okay.
Nyanya nama.
Now three formulas today. Please hope understand. Kachata tapa,
Gajada daba.
kachata tapa,
Kachata tapa.
gajada daba,
Kacat. Kacat. Tapa.
gajada daba,
Gajada daba.
nyanyananama. Very simple. Kachata tapa, gajada daba, nyanyananama. Kachata tapa,
Gajada daba.
gajada daba.
Gajada daba. Nama.
Very good. If these three formulas, if you are okay, if you are learning these three formulas, this will help you lot in learning the sandhis in the coming classes. Okay, please keep it in the mind. Kachatatapa, gajadadava, nyanya nanama. And especially if some people find it very difficult to pronounce these two, na and na. Understood? Now I am going to tell you the scientific way of pronouncing. So it will help you how to pronounce the things. Yaralava, Shashasaha, they are called. Okay? Now I am going to tell you how to pronounce it. See, first of all, keep quiet and close your eyes and observe from where you pronounce these words. A, A, K, K, G, G, Nya, Ha. These are the words which will be pronounced from the throat. You see, A, K, K. See, there is a vibration in the neck. Just hold your neck and find it. A, K, K, G, G, Nya, Ha. There is a vibration. That's why it is called Kantaha Varanaha. What it is called? Kantaha Varanaha. Kantastaha Varanaha. Next, next word is, see, just close your eyes and observe. Observe tip of the tongue. Observe your tongue. E, E, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, ya, sha. So where your tongue is touching, behind your teeth there is a rough surface. One rough surface is there, one just like track. In that highway, the tongue will touch there. E, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. In that rough surface, the tongue will touch. That's why it is called talu. What it is called? Talu. That's why these words are called talavya. So that's why sha is there.
Talavya.
People, elderly people who
Talavya.
learnt well, they say talavya shakar. So
Talavya shakar.
I will show you the picture. Is it this rough surface behind your teeth? You can find it cha. Then next letters. Now close once again your eyes and see the tip of the tongue. Ru, ta, ta, da, dha, na, ra, sha, sha, see, sha, sha. So this is the way you have to pronounce this. So they are called, there is a vacuum. Behind your teeth there is a vacuum. So tongue will go and sit here. It is coming like this. Is it? The mouth is like this. It will go here in the vacuum and it will come. R, ta, tha, da, dha, na. That's why na, na.
That's
Many,
right, sir.
many people find it very difficult to pronounce na. Those who are having that problem, take your tongue up and bring na, na, na. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Got it? So this is
Yes,
called
sir. That is.
Rutu Rashana Murdha. They are called Murdhanyaha. Next. Now, once again, close your eyes and observe the tongue. Lru, ta, tha, da, dha, na, la, sa, la, sa.
Ring.
So it is touching the teeth.
La. Sha.
Yes.
Da.
It is touching the teeth. That's why they are called dantaha. When it touches the, it is called dantaha. It always touches your teeth. So tongue will come and sit on the teeth. Ta, tha, dha, dha, na. Is it? Sa, sa. So without touching the teeth, can you pronounce these letters? No. That's why it is called dantaha. Then next comes oo, oo, pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, pa, pha, bha, bha, ma. So where it is? Oshtaha. Only the lips. What is helping you to pronounce this? This is called lips. With the help of the lips, you can pronounce them. That's why these letters are called as a Oshtya Varnaha. Oshtya Varnaha. I hope all of you understood. Then comes
Yes, sir.
Upu Upadmaniyana Oshtaha, won't. Lips we call it Oshtaha. Edaitoho kantatalu. Ye. How you are pronouncing? Ye. See, tongue sits on that rough surface. Word comes from the throat. Ye. Ye. Is it? Adi. So, from the neck as well as talu. Whoa. Ow! Where it is coming? From the lips, from the throat. That's why O, ow are called Odautoho Kantoshtam. Vakarasya Dantoshtam. Va, va, va. Danta. Danta and Oshta. Va, va. Next. Nasika Anuswarasya. With the help of nose it is pronounced. Nanama. They are called Anunasikaha Varnaha. I hope all of you understood today the Varnochara Sthanam. What we have learned, scientific way of pronouncing the things. If you want to learn, you can learn from where this pronunciation is coming. Some of you are finding difficult to pronounce any word. Know from where that word should be pronounced and identify that place. Practice that. So just close your eyes and practice. Many of you are having the problem of sha, sha, sa. Where you make the main mistake is sha, sha, sa. When you pronounce sa, teeth should become sha. If it on the rough surface, if you want to say shut, your mouth should, tongue should go up. Shut, shut. Huh? Like this, in a scientific way, you can learn pronouncing it. I hope all of